what are some of the tools that you use to figure out which brackets and mounts to use depending on which camera?
Well, they've not only released a lot of great new products, a lot of great new mounts and accessories, they've supported that with some good product documentation.
Okay.
There's a nice quick selection guide that I use all the time. That helps you alleviate that problem.
Okay.
So there's no guesswork. You don't have to
Good.
just take a look at the data sheet and say, well, I think that's the right mount. You use the quick selection guide. It shows you a picture. It shows you all the mounts you need.
Okay.
So
So you have a data sheet you can download, and there's all the accessories, mounts, and brackets there. There's a quick selector guide also, and then the easiest is send you and Katie the information and let
right.
you guys figure it out. So can you show us some of these tools and where to find them?
Certainly, yes. So you go to us.boschsecurity.com, Bosch's website for security products. You'll then go to the video systems section. And then you're going to find one of the cameras that you're looking to find out what mounts and accessories you need for it. So that's where we are now, at the Autodome
Gotcha.
IP5000i. In there's a Documents tab. That's where you're going to find your data sheets, your installation guides, all that sort of thing.
Gotcha.
They do kind of hide that quick selection guide towards the bottom. It is one of my favorite parts, of course, so they're going to hide from
The hidden
you.
gem.
Exactly. But once you find it, you then click on the English version.
Gotcha.
It is going to take a couple minutes to download because it is an interactive PDF. So
Okay.
it's a sizable file, just a couple minutes.
Okay.
So wait for that to download. So once you've downloaded the product selection guide, this is the home page. At the bottom, you'll see all your different camera selections. Find the camera you're looking for. For the example, I'll show the Flexidome IP4000 and 5000i outdoor. Click on that picture. Takes you right to the mount options.
Okay.
So you see you have all these different mount options. If you click on any of these selections, it'll then show you a picture of what's needed.
Gotcha. So you have the camera, you have the brackets, you have the mounts, you have a picture of it, and I even see there's a dimensional drawing then also?
Right, good point. So we go ahead and click on that, and we'll see the dimensions of the mounts.
Perfect. So from one tool, you're able to figure out everything you need about that camera, the mount, the bracket, the part numbers, dimensional, everything. So I see why you and Katie use that.
Yeah, and this is actually a good example because you'll see here, you don't just need that wall mount.
Yep.
You would think that's the only thing you need.
Right.
There's also an interface plate. You wouldn't know that if you
Gotcha.
didn't use this, or contact us, of course.
Okay.
Until you're out in the field and you didn't have this very important, very small
Yep.
piece.
Yeah. No. Oh, that's great. I go back actually one more step, Rick. I saw one thing too that was always hard before. I see parapet mount. We never could find an adapter or figure out how to do a parapet mount with a fixed camera before. But now the Autodome parapet mount, we have now all the adapters and all the plates for that to make life a lot simpler and easier too.
Correct, yes. Another great feature of all the universal mounts and accessories that have been released.
Gotcha. No, that's great. Big time saver for all of us. Plus also, again, making sure you got all the right parts and pieces before your installation team goes out there and goes to install it and find out, oh, I'm missing this little widget, and guess what? It can mess up a job real easy.
Yep.
Great. Rick,
of course,
thank you.
Yeah, thank you. And of course, you can always contact us. That's what we want you to do first.
Yep.
But in the time that you don't have that time to contact us, or if you want this on your own, it's a great tool to have.
Great.
And like I said, I use it every day. So.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing the tools with us.